Hello. In this video, I'll show you how to set an alarm on your iPhone. Start by opening the clock app on your iPhone. At the bottom of the screen, tap Alarm. Then, tap the plus button in the top right corner to add a new alarm. Set the time for your alarm by scrolling the hours and minutes. You can also choose AM or PM depending on the time of day. Once you've selected the time, tap Save in the top right corner. To customize your alarm, you can tap Sound to select a ringtone and Label to give your alarm a name, like Morning Alarm or Meeting Reminder. When the time comes, your iPhone will alert you with the chosen sound. And that's it. You've successfully set an alarm on your iPhone. Thank you for watching.